spider.
What?
Never turn my flashlight on.
Yeah.
It's so bright.
I know. What's going on?
I mean, yeah. Those aren't crickets.
Let's go eat some crickets.
Yeah, they're loud.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah, we'll just by a shadow.
Oh my god, we're huge. I'll get a picture of that. I'm gonna scare somebody in the road. I didn't be
All right, here, make the shadow. I'll get a picture of it.
here. Did you get a picture of it?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go now. Hey,
Okay.
those crickets are loud for me to eat.
They're loud.
How can crickets make noises but not spiders?
I don't know if spiders are quiet.
That car's even louder.
Wow.
I can hear crickets for me to eat.
Yeah.
Do you hear that?
I hear that.
Sounds like our lunch.
Oh, what's today's day? Oh, it's gonna be spring soon. I think this weekend's gonna be spring. This is like the last walk of winter.
Yeah.
Soon winter will be over. It's still winter. It's gonna be spring soon.
I gotta skip it, but I'm in the road now. I'm gonna go eat some cars.
Eat some Volkswagens because they're the cool dogs.
Do you think a car would be scared of a spider like this?
No, because cars are machines. Maybe the people in the car get scared.
Alright, sir. Those crickets so loud because I want to eat them though, right?
Yeah.
You sound like they're coming from the woods, right?
They probably are.
I think a spider in the wood.
And maybe one day those won't be woods, there'll be houses there too, right?
Yeah,
And a sidewalk.
I think there's spiders. There's probably spiders in the forest getting ready to eat the crickets, probably, right?
Yeah.
Those are not cicadas, right?
No, it's okay.
Alright, guys, that's it for the video. If you guys like and subscribe, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.